So today I'm going to actually go back to my Scratch thing. Yesterday I made a Scratch video, and in the beginning of the video, I showed you guys a really cool project. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make that cool project. And yeah, so I know I do mostly juggling. Pretty soon I'm going to make more videos, but right now I've been doing lots of tricks, and it's sort of hard to detail some tricks in less than a 20-minute video, and I don't really want that to happen. But pretty soon I'll be making more juggling videos. But right now, just to have fun, I'm going to make another Scratch video. And Scratch is a program. So here is the thing I'm going to be showing you how to make today. Okay, so I'm going to click this flag and watch the blocks so they fall. If I drag it, it's going to fall. Pretty simple. Now, so you can see how if I make a noise, the blocks will move. Okay, this is actually pretty simple, and I will show you how to do it. Okay. This is what I'm going to do. First, I'm just going to delete that. I'm going to edit this guy's costume. I'll make his costume look like a square. And then I'll use this red and put it on the top. And there is a good reason for this. Okay. Here's our guy. And I'm going to make the background a big red. Oopsie daisies. Sweet. Okay. Alright. This is what I'm going to do. Now we go to our first spray. I'll name this for scripts. I'll name you Block 1. So we don't get confused with Block 2. Okay, sorry if I've been talking a little quiet, but this is what I do. One clicked, forever if. So I'll explain to you what's happening. Not, so forever if this color, so like turquoise or baby blue or something, is not touching red. Now what we do is we are going to move -1 steps. And that's how it falls. So see how it moves backwards? So now what we're going to do is we're going to make him point in direction 180. Now, oh no, that's not what we want. Now we're going to make him move 1 step. Okay, so now right now, I made it so he doesn't move. If I did that, then it wouldn't do anything. But right now he's not moving or anything. And basically he's actually pointing down. And when he moves 1 step down, he's going to fall down. Now if he's not touching, if blue is not touching the red, it's going to move down. But it doesn't count this red right here. So once it touched this red, it fell. And now that it's touching it, it's not going to move anymore because it's if not. Okay, and I'll explain why I put that red line up later. You might have already figured that out. It's pretty easy to figure out from here, but I can see why some people might not be able to figure it out. Okay, forever if, go to sensing, if loud. What you do is motion, change X by, pick random, 1 to 10. And X is wherever this guy is. So now let's see. Pretty cool. And actually, let's make this a little bit here. Let's do -10. So now we can move back and forth. Pretty cool. Okay, so now what if you want to add more blocks? So this is where it comes in why I put that red strip. So a new sprite, let's just do the same exact thing. I'm just gonna show you this. Take the same red. Okay, that's good enough. A little bigger, that's okay. So now what we are going to do, so I'm going to stick that right there. I'm going to take, here, I'm actually going to change this name to block 2. Block 2. Sweet. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate this. And if you don't know how to do that, you can either just copy it by going all the way to the scripts, or you can just do Control-click, duplicate. And now it's going to go back, but if I look here, it's right there. Okay? Then I'm also going to duplicate this, so that was just a Control-click. I can either delete it, help, or whatever. I don't know what help does. So yeah, that basically explains it. Duplicate. So also, I just sort of figured out about that, but that help will actually help you a lot. It basically totally explains what it's going to do. So this is what it's explaining, and this is an example. But that will help you a lot if you're having trouble. I've actually never used that because I just figured out about it. But that'll help you. So see this red strip? So now, if it falls, oh, I just need to do one more thing. Okay. Now if it falls, because I made it so if this color is not touching red, it'll fall down one step. But since there's that red strip, since it's touching it, it's not going to fall. So the same effect would happen right here. So that's how in the other one that's how they stacked up on each other, which is pretty cool. And then maybe I could like use my brain and use some like weight thing, so if it's like this, it'd like flip over. But now if we clap, it should move. And then you can always just click and drag. So it's pretty easy actually. Just takes a tiny bit of thinking when you make it, but it's really easy. And yeah, then in the other one they had directions. Because I posted on Scratch.com, it'd be easier to see. But that's basically how you do it. The only difference is that one has the directions, and blocks are smaller, and there's like 30 more blocks or something. And yeah, so I'm not gonna say that because I have this one. You'll see how in this one they're all stacked up because this one's pink. I like pink actually, so I did it. But you can see how this color is pink right here, so when it touches pink, it's gonna stop moving. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And yeah, thank you for watching. Post comments if you want to learn about other Scratch projects. Post comments if you want to hear more Scratch, or post comments if you say this sucked, or post comments if you just want to post comments. I don't really care if you put thumbs up, thumbs down. I don't care how many views I have, if you subscribe or not. Feel free to though. But all I really care about right now is just the comments, so I can see where people are, especially for juggling, so I can know what people need help with. And I will get back to you guys. So, yes. Thank you. Adios.